Welcome to Learning Equinox. In our video today on PowerPoint presentation, let us look at how we can present a table in a PowerPoint presentation. As you can see on the screen, this is a tabulated format of showing the sales for quarters, for each quarter of a financial year for 3 different products. As you can see, the numbers are now not displayed. On a click, the numbers of quarter 1 come up on the screen. On another click, the numbers of quarter 2, quarter 3, and then you go quarter 4 numbers come up. Again, this entire table can be prepared and showcased in the form of a graph in this given format, as you can see on the screen. So today we'll be understanding how on PowerPoint presentation we can do this. So let's get started with our video today. For the sake of simplicity, I have simply taken the sales numbers quarter on quarter for 3 products in an Excel. Now let me create a new slide. I shall take a blank slide and first I will create the table. For creating the table, all I need to go to Insert Table, select the number of rows and columns that I want. I have different formats of tables which I can select from top over here. So let me select this particular format. Now in this table, I'm going to put over here as a header as sales, rupees in crores. There you have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and I can simply go right click and insert a column to the right and add quarter 4. Now I'll have products mentioned here. Let's say product 1. Then you have the second product and the third product in the table. I'll just select everything, go to home, make the font a little bolder font and a little larger, let's say 24. I'll just place the table in the center and the first row I want to be aligned center. So I'll select the first row, align it to center, and I'll go to align text and align text in the middle. Now for each of the 3 products, I'll just pick up the numbers from here. So I'll just key in the numbers quickly. So just like you would key the numbers in an Excel sheet, you can key in the numbers over here. Let me align all the numbers also centrally in the center. So you have all the numbers in the center. Now the table is ready. In the event of you animating the table in any form, it will never animate rows or columns, but it will always in PowerPoint animate the entire table, just like this. See, it has no option to select on any row or column. It animates the entire. So that's not what we want. We want to showcase quarter 1 figures, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 one by one. So for that, what we will do is, first I'll delete this animation. And for this, what we will do is I'll go to home. I will select a rectangle tool. With a rectangle tool, I will hide the first quarter numbers in a manner that it is completely covered. Let's make it a little more dramatic by adding a different shape fill to it. Let's say I add a gray color to it. And shape outline will be no outline. Now I want slightly the numbers to be visible from behind. For that, I will go to Format Shape and bring in a little bit of transparency. So I go to Format Shapes and I go to this transparency color and I just bring in slight amount of transparency so that I can see the numbers. Perfect. Now that my rectangle is perfect in shape, all I need to do is duplicate it to cover the other quarters as well. So here I'm going to do a Control D, once, twice and thrice. So I've got 3 boxes. I'll just align them in the given quarters one by one perfectly. That looks perfect. Now the numbers are completely hidden. Now all I need to do is animate these rectangles. Now what I will do is I'll click on the first one. I will go to exit animation, and let's say I select a wipe animation, and the wipe will be from left. So the numbers will come up on the screen. Similarly, I'll go to the next one. I'll give it a wipe animation and wipe from left. Again the next one, give it a wipe. Go to exit animation, give it a wipe animation and from left. The next one again, exit animation, go to wipe animation from left. Next one also, exit, wipe from left. Now let us look at how this comes up on the screen. So I go into a presenter mode. On a click, quarter 1 figures will come up. On a click, quarter 2. On another click, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So in this way you can showcase a tabulated format by showcasing the figures quarter on quarter. Isn't this a very beautiful way to showcase tabulated data in boardrooms or while making any presentations to teams? The entire table also can be presented in the form of charts. Let us look at that, how we can do it in PowerPoint. So again, I'll just create a new slide, or I'll just duplicate this slide and I'll remove all of this. Over here, I will go to Insert. Under Insert, I have the option of Charts. So I will select Charts. I have this entire types, the different types of charts that I can. Now my data would be more suitable in terms of bar charts. So I'm going to be selecting bar charts and click on OK. So the template will come up. Now I need to select the data. As you can see on the screen, on top, a chart in Microsoft PowerPoint, this Excel sheet has opened up. Here, all I need to do is, from my Excel data, I'm going to be selecting the 4 quarters and pasting it here in series. Under the category, I'm going to be selecting my products and putting in the values. Simple copy paste is what I'm doing here. I don't need the 4th category, so I'll just simply go ahead and delete it how you could do it, delete it in any Excel. So in this way, you can see that the chart has changed to give the replica of my products. Now I'll give it a chart title. Let's say sales for financial year, let's say FY 2020-21. Let's say these are the sales numbers. Now a simple way to showcase this is I have different styles of charts that I can select from the top. Let's say I select with this gray shading. Now what I can do is, here you can see the data is available in each of the bars for each of the products. I also want to have data table below. So this will be, I can eliminate the data labels and just have a data table as well below. I can go to home and I can change the font of the entire chart the way I want to. I can click on this plus over here and I can even go and add axis titles. So let's say I want to give this axis title as products and the y-axis title as sales. rupees in crores. So it will be rupees in crores. So in this way, I can very well and beautifully present my sales number in the form of a chart in PowerPoint presentation. So in this way, you can create beautiful charts. There are different formats of charts. Same way as you have in Excel, you can go out there and explore the different ways in which charts can be created. This is just a sample format. So in this way, you can make beautiful presentations, tabulated presentations in PowerPoint along with explanatory tables. So that's all for our video today. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share around with others. If you feel the knowledge that we share at Learning Equinox is significant, then please do hit on to the subscribe button and subscribe to Learning Equinox without fail so that you keep getting updated every single time we upload our videos. Also, hit on to the bell notification once you hit on to subscribe so that the notification reaches out to you. You can follow us on Instagram also at Learning Equinox. On our Instagram page, we do a lot of other information, knowledge sharing information, update about our courses and a lot more. So do stay connected with us on Instagram as well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.